My feeling is that Man United was playing very well. They were very compact. They were very aggressive, good aggressivity. They were very well organized tactically, and the match was very difficult for us. I know that, and I have that feeling that Modric changed the match because he brought into the game some qualities that we didn't have on the pitch at the time. But I doubt that 11 against 11, I doubt we can win the match.
You've beaten Barcelona twice now, Manchester United. Just what might this side achieve between now and the end of the season?
Well, today I'm a bit frustrated because we play so well. We play amazingly well against Barcelona. And today I was waiting for more. I was waiting for more. I was waiting my team to come here and to express our football in a different way. I know they are giants. I know they are giants, not just physically but also mentally. I know they are fantastic. I know they have a manager able to motivate people and organize people. I know all of that, but I was waiting us to come here and to play in a different way.
How big an obstacle do you think you've removed in terms of your progress in the Champions League now that you've put Manchester United out?
A big one, but the Champions League is full of good teams. Nobody speaks about Dortmund. I played them in the group phase. They are fantastic. Celtic is Celtic. From Milan, Barcelona will come a big team too. I don't know, Paris, Valencia, Bayern, because I don't believe Arsenal can do it. I'm sorry, but I don't believe. So many teams and so many obstacles, but this one was an important one, especially after the result of the first leg. And with a bit of luck, but we did it.
Just finally and quickly, being back here at Old Trafford on a really big night, did it give you a taste for English football again?
I love it. Everybody knows I love it, and everybody knows one day I will be back. That's for sure. Unless nobody wants me, but if somebody wants me one day, I have to be back because I enjoy so much all the time. And today was independent of the result. Is brilliant to play here.